Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic token. Now, so many people has been thinking if Terra Classic can ever reach $1. Now, with recent price fall that happened since the beginning of May, we have been seeing Terra Classic coin dropping massively and people running out of Terra Classic. Now, the truth is, hitting $1 from now to the end of 2025 will be very difficult for Terra Classic coin, because the only condition they can hit this level of price is if they burn out their supply. Okay, then secondly, if they need to get the support of a top crypto exchange like Robinhood, and other top crypto exchanges that are yet to list Terra Classic and also yet to support the burning of Terra Classic coin. So for me, I don't think that $1 price is still possible for Terra Classic with recent price fall. $1 is not possible for me, because right now they are still struggling, not hitting 1 cent, 1 penny. Now, even if Terra Classic is to hit 1 cent, that will take over 2 to 3 years with a massive burning. So I don't think $1 is possible for now, except Terra Classic LUNC turn around so many things, except Terra Classic LUNC breaks so many records, okay, from the area of burning, in the area of getting more partnership, in the area of getting some companies accepting Terra Classic as a crypto-based payment. So it will be difficult for LUNC once again to hit $1. For me, it will be very difficult. Any massive burning they will do right now, any massive partnership, any massive good news for Terra Classic will only push LUNC to delete 1 or 2 zeros, maximum hitting 1 cent. Now, it is good to know that LUNC, for me, right now it's a strong coin, because it's not all crypto coins that will crash. All crypto coins, what happened to LUNC that happened to some coins? Most coins would have disappeared. Most coins would not even longer be existing by now. The thing, what happened to Terra Classic as of last year, in the past 1 year, if it happened to so many coins, they will not survive it. So this is why I still believe that this coin, they are really trying their best. With recent do not being arrested and so many issues that surround Terra Classic coin, the coin still stands. Despite the shaking, despite the falling, LUSD still stands. So I'm happy to see this coin trying to bounce back. As of 2 days ago, they are ranked above 86 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Now it actually moved up to about 77. So you see, they're trying to push back to where they are, to the position they are. And I believe if they keep doing this, they will definitely get back on track. And I believe that, yes, with coins like Cardano maintaining, with coins like SRP having court issue, they still maintain high level. I believe Terra Classic, if they really try their best, they will definitely also maintain high level in the crypto industry. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Also, please like this video, share this video, please comment with any question, and remember, we do drop new videos every day. Once again, kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.